Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top InMessage VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your InMessage experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for InMessage? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your chats and personal info stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your InMessage conversations never get exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track who you message or when. But the places where they differ, well, that's what really matters for InMessage. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for InMessage because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be phishing or scams trying to steal your InMessage login, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends or colleagues in a private network, perfect for safe InMessage group chats. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can use InMessage on your phone, tablet, and computer all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any privacy-conscious InMessage user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce. It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone relying on InMessage for instant communication, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for a quicker connection. This can help reduce delays in sending messages. Just keep in mind you're trading off a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for InMessage? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means messages send faster and your chats stay smooth. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with latency spiking depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if message speed and security are your top priorities, if you want zero interruptions during your InMessage sessions, or if you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Choose IPVanish if you have tons of devices or a whole household using InMessage. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused InMessage user who needs proof to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for InMessage. See you soon.